Hi. So in this video, we're going to talk about vector multiplication. So we are able to multiply a vector by a scalar quantity, which hopefully if you remember from the last video, we learned that a scalar is just a numerical value. So we can look at these two vectors, with the vector A, and so it's 5 along and 3 up. I can multiply that by 2, so that vector is now going to become 2A. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 3 is 6, so numerically it's changed to 10, 6. And graphically it has also been extended. Okay, so sketch or calculate the following vectors. I'll do all three. 3a, if a is the vector 3, negative 2, well, all we need to do is 3 times 3, negative 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 5b is b is negative 1, negative 2. So we get negative 5, negative 10. Lastly, a half c, if c is negative 4, 8. So if we're multiplying by a half, we're just dividing by 2. So we can do a half negative 4, 8 will equal, what's half of negative 4? It's negative 2, and what's half of 8? It's 4. And if I were to sketch them, so again, we can start sensibly. It doesn't matter really where we put it because it's just about the size of the vector, the quantity, magnitude even. So let's start. We're going 9, negative 6. So I need to make sure I've got enough space. So let's start here. 9 along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can see that that is the vector 3a. We did 5b. It's negative 5, negative 10. So let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So start up here. Direction of the vector. And then that's the vector 5b. Last one, we're doing the vector half c. So we do negative 2. So let's start here. Negative 2, go backwards. And then it's going up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in your direction. And that's the vector 1/2 c. Just as an extra, what have I said? I want the vector negative 3a. Well, what's going to happen to this? It's going to be negative 9, positive 6. And so then if I was to sketch that, it's actually going to look pretty much exactly the same. However, it's going to be the same size, it's just the direction is going to be facing the other way. So if I start at 8 here, it's going to go negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see that it is the same size, it's just pointing a different direction. Okay. So that is vector multiplication.